Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Welcome all. Today I would like to show you one of the most beautiful lakes of the Black Forest in Germany. The lake is surrounded by mountains from three sides and only one side, the south side, is open to the valley. The Mummel-Lake is 270 meters in length, 170 meters in width, and is about 18 meters in depth. It is the highest lake in the Black Forest, which is about 1030 meters or 3000 feet high from the sea level. Also, the total circumference or walking area around the lake is about 800 meters. The lake name Mummelsee is derived from a famous flower called Mummel in the German language, which in English known as white water lily flower. Also in Urdu, we call it Kanwal Phool. Hence, the name is given to the lake, which resembles the beauty of this particular flower. Like many of us know, the legend story of Lake Mummel-Lake in Pakistan, or as we like to call, Earth is round, and humans like to live and express in the similar ways, no matter if they are Germans or the Pakistanis. So like Lake Mummel-Lake in Naran Valley of Pakistan, which does have legends to tell, the Germany's Black Forest Lake also has legends and couple of stories to tell. The one is about the king and other is about the mermaids. So one day the king, as of a poor man sitting near the lake with a gold coin holding in his hand, the hunter came by and saw this little lonely man with a gold coin in his hands. So the hunter got greedy and tried to rob the gold coin from the poor man. But the man jumped into the water and disappeared in the lake. But he cursed the hunter that he will never able to get his shots right ever again. Well, later it appears to the locals that this poor man was indeed the king of mermaids. According to the legend, mermaids lived beneath the water in a crystal castle and commanded by the king. These mermaids were chosen by the king to establish a good gesture between humans and the mermaids' world. So there was a time long ago when the most beautiful mermaid, was fallen in love with the farmer's son, but she did not obey the king's command and the restriction of time to return to the castle before dark, and there she has sacrificed her love over the king's command. Ever since, she is not allowed to leave the lake anymore. But even though she is doing her best to spread the message of kindness and love with her poem, she comes to the surface to make her visitors wishes to listen when it's dark and stars are high in the skies. The statue of the chosen mermaid depicts the good gesture along her well wishes to the visitors. Ever since, she is doing her best for everyone who visit the lake to make her voice heard. As the legend tells, Mermaid also has supernatural powers. She listens to our wishes and fills us with a sense of calm. She calls for love between people and enables us to reflect on ourselves. So some visitors who believe on fantasy, they also do the following. They try to listen what Mermaid has to say in her poem, also try to feel her kindness from the lake and its beauty to let their worries disappear into the lake. So apart from visiting the lake area is surrounded by a beautiful black forest. It is famous for hiking, paragliding and skiing in winter. And there is a hotel right at the lake with most beautiful views around. So I would definitely recommend anyone who would like to visit the Black Forest should also plan for the Mummel-Lake. So thank you for watching and I would like to see you in my other videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.